Hey y'all, today I'll be using 4 small Flexirods and my favorite Taliah Waajid curl sealer. I'm starting off with freshly washed towel dried hair, and I pre-section my hair into 2 parts, half up, half down. Next, I'm going to divide those 2 sections into 2 more sections and apply my curl sealer all over. I don't use a lot of product because I like my curls to come out lightweight and bouncy. Now it's time to braid. It's pretty simple, over under until about 1 to 2 inches from the ends. Ooh, child, long hair is cute, but it's a task. Too much is given, much is required. Next, I'm going to add a Flexirod to the ends and wrap my hair around in a spiral motion going up the rod. I love this style because it's so quick and easy to do. The whole process takes me about 30 minutes and I let it air dry overnight, or if I'm going out, I make sure I do this hairstyle at least 2 hours before I leave. It is important you move up the rod when you're wrapping and not to overlap your hair so you'll have nice spiral curls. If you don't have time to air dry, you can also use a hair dryer. I always air dry because I like to use little heat as possible on my hair because it causes breakage and dryness. This is my favorite winter go-to hairstyle because I can still wear my curls in the winter and my hair doesn't have to be wet when I go out in the cold weather. Woo, child. Finally done. Okay, time to go air dry. I just wrap it around and just tuck it in a silk bonnet. Stay tuned to watch the takedown. Time for the big reveal. After air drying overnight, my hair is ready to be taken down. I'm just adding more curl sealer to slick down the frizz, and here we go. When removing the Flexirods, make sure you're unwinding in the same direction of the curl so you don't mess up the curl pattern. Next, I'm just undoing the braid. Once I reach the top, I like to separate the curls to make my hair look fuller. If you want the style to last longer, I would suggest separating the curls on day 2 or 3. Now I'm adding a little hair oil to give my curls some shine. I'm using my favorite Macadamia's Healing Oil Treatment. I love it so much because it's lightweight and it smells so good, like perfume. So there you have it. I'm going to repeat the same process for each section. The takedown usually takes me about 20 minutes. So in total, I would say the whole process takes about 2 hours. Styling takes almost an hour, and then I let my hair air dry for at least an hour. I'm not gonna lie, some days I keep my hair like this with the braids if I only have a few errands to run because it's kind of cute to me. I also noticed that the longer I keep the braids in, the more defined my curls are when I do take them out. So now I'm just adding hair oil all over and separating any leftover curl clusters. Time to lay these baby hairs. For my edges, I like to use Murray's EdgeWax because it's lightweight, non-flaking, and it doesn't leave white residue. I also use a little bit of my curl sealer on my sideburns because it really lays them down smoothly. At night, I braid it back up to preserve the style. Well, I hope you enjoyed my daily curl routine. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.